So what's going on, people? My name's Dwayne and welcome to Certified Rides. Now this is the first video I'm making for 2022, and in this video we are going to talk about everything you can expect from me and this channel in 2022. Let's go. So before we get into what's actually happening with the channel for 2022, I'd just like to say, guys, apologies for not making any sort of content during the whole month of December. It's bad of me, but you know what December's like. It gets busy with family and everything, and I'm trying to do all this content in between work and everything else. So apologies for that, but moving forward, I hope you had a fantastic Christmas and an even better New Year's. But let's get chatting about 2022. Let's go. Guys, I'm going to be focusing on three main things for the channel in 2022. The first one being project cards. Now, as you guys already know, if you've been watching the channel for a little while, the Clio trophy was the car what helped me kick off the channel in the first place. So let's just have a little recap of what has been done to the car already before we move on and talk about what we're going to do to the car moving forward. So the very first modification done to the trophy was the installation of a K-brace made by Bath Motorsport. And then I've done a follow-up video with me giving the Clio a test drive with the K-brace installed, basically to let you guys know if it was any good or not. Mate, I'm enjoying this. Seriously. It is just doing whatever I tell it to do. Like, I'm buzzing right now. Now I've got to take this car on track. So after the K-brace install, I went to the front of the car and started getting busy with the engine bay. I've done a 4-part series on basically getting the engine bay looking as best as it could. So in the first video, we gave the engine bay a nice overall clean, just being careful to cover up all the electricals and not get any sort of electricals like the coil pack, the alternator and the batteries wet at all. Then in the second video, we got a little bit more specific and removed all the parts which I felt needed a little bit more attention and restoration. And in the third video, that's when we got into restoring all the parts which I removed from the second video. And in the fourth video, that's when we put all the restored parts back into the engine bay and just watched how amazing it all came together. And the last modification for 2021 was when I decided to come up with my own version of an induction kit for the trophy. And even though I picked everything and put my version of an induction kit together using various parts, I still went on to do a video and gave an honest review as to what I thought the induction kit performed like and what it sounded like. Guys, let me just give you a quick walk around and just show you a few things what actually needs to be sorted on this Clio moving forward. Mainly on this Clio, it's just bodywork and little bits and pieces what needs tidying up. Like for example, on the front bumper, there's actually paint missing there, which will have to be sorted out. Scratches, so if that needs paint, might as well just get the whole front bumper done. Then coming around to the back bumper, we've got a bit of lacquer peel here, which has happened over the years, and a little mark there. But I don't think you can actually do anything about lacquer peel. I think that's a respray as well. If it is, then the back bumper needs doing as well. Other than that, this rear quarter here, I don't think you guys can actually see it. Let me see if I can make this brighter. But yeah, there's a lot of lacquer peel down the bottom here. And then when you come up a bit, there's a really deep scratch done by yours truly trying to get it out of a tight council garage. Where, yeah, my nail's getting caught in that, so that's definitely gonna need paint. So there's that, and the other pet hate which I've really annoyed me about this car is that the wheels on this side, these two wheels here, Depo On Da Beat, is of a different shade of grey. to these two here. So at some point, a pair has been changed on this car in the past, and the paint code is just completely wrong on two of them, and I don't know which two are wrong, because yeah, they're just like a different shade of grey but in pairs, so it's not like one is singled out. So I really need to get the paint code for these wheels and figure out which ones actually need repainting. So yeah, that needs sorting out. ABS light came up the other day, which I need to investigate. The steering wheel needs to be refurbished because it looks like somebody's like held a lighter near it and melted the rubber on it. So that needs doing, and just a general clean and tidy, guys. And then after that, we'll have some fun and take her on the track day. No, sorry, we'll go on the track day first, and then after the track day's done, then we'll go to town on getting them little bits and pieces sorted out. I'll probably do the ABS light first because that might help me. And then yeah, we'll go to town, get her all ready, get her all looking her best, and potentially sell it, release the funds from it so that I can actually move forward and look forward to a different project car, or you know, and to buy parts for that project car and so on, just to keep you guys entertained and keep the channel moving forward. I'd love, if I had the money, I would keep it, add it to a collection, and because really and truly, why would you want to get rid of this? This is literally a trap weapon within itself. This car proved to me from a younger age that power is not everything. If you had agility on a nice twisty B road, this thing will keep up with the best of them. Don't be disappointed though, because as you can imagine, another project car will be taking its place, and we'll basically have money in the kitty to make improvements and modify that, and we will have a hell of a lot more freedom to do that stuff, because I'm really restricted with this car because of what it is, and I can't really deviate from you know, from what it is, because yeah, you can't do much to it. So the next car, we'll be able to do whatever the hell we want to it. So that's something to look forward to in itself. So guys, the second main focus for the channel in 2022 is to do more car features. Last year I had the privilege of doing the F83 M4 with 630 brake horsepower. This thing was insane. It completely changed my concept on how a rear wheel drive car with 630 brake horsepower can put the power down and handle at the same time. This thing was just next level. That's relentless, isn't it?
Just so much more to give.
So I've got to do that again. I've got to experience all different variations of cars and share it with you guys so you can enjoy it with me. If you have any sort of modified car or anything interesting at all, please feel free to put your details in the comment section down below, or just hit me up on Instagram. I'll put that down here somewhere so you can, you know, get in contact with me, or it will be in like the description section as well. So get in contact, guys. I really need to do more features, and I'm done traveling within reason, and yeah, let's make it happen. And lastly, guys, the last thing I'm going to be focusing on for 2022 and moving forward is monetization. As it stands, I think it's about 4,000 watch hours and about 1,000 subscribers for you to even think about being paid in any sort of way from YouTube. So that's my target for this year. Just hopefully I can smash that. But that's the bare minimum what I want to try and achieve this year, guys, because buying parts to provide content and entertain you guys is not cheap on cars and stuff. So, and that's really what I want to do, guys. This year I'm really going to focus on the channel and try and provide the best content I can to keep you guys watching and to keep you guys entertained. So that's the third and final focus from me. Project cars, feature cars, and monetization. That's what it's all about this year, moving forward for Certified Rides 2022. As you can imagine, as a small YouTube channel, I also need your help. People who are subscribed, thank you very much. I feel blessed. I think I'm on about 212 people in about 7 months. That's a minor to some. It's big for me. I'm grateful for every last person. To the people who haven't subscribed but yet you're watching the videos, come on, man, help me out. Click the button, man. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. It will massively help me out. It will let YouTube know that I'm doing well, basically. So the channel is also, you've got an input in the channel, guys. So if there's anything which you'd like to see, if you would like to see anything done with the Clio, if you want to put any ideas for it, feel free to put it in the comment section. If you have any ideas of what you'd like the next project car to be, please put that in the comment section. I'd love to have help with that as well. You never know, it might just happen. But yeah, other than that, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day. Please like, please comment. If it's positive, leave it out. If it's not, you know the deal. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Take care. Peace.